A heart does not turn cold unless it has been treated badly for a long while. Yet, some will still endure and not show it. So cherish all those with good hearts in your life. Don't take them for granted. Be compassionate. Learn to show them the gratitude they deserve. Almighty, on this blessed day, we ask you to grant peace to those who've lost loved ones. Surround them with those who will offer words of comfort. Remove the heaviness from their hearts. Help those who are feeling resentment, bitterness, or anger, not to look back but to press on. Don't curse the crisis you're facing. Every hardship has a silver lining, a blessing in disguise. Be patient with yourself and let the situation unfold. Do your best and let the Almighty do the rest. You'll emerge stronger and better able to face whatever He sends your way. When should you stop praying for what you want? Never. For as long as you want it, but remember, the same Almighty that opens doors, closes doors. You asked but you didn't get it and you get discouraged. But the Almighty knows what lies ahead. Trust Him. Couples need to work together to keep outside forces that may try to break them or their family. At times, this could be in the form of in-laws or the extended family. Hold your ground firmly and respectfully. You'll end up with longer lasting and happier married lives together. Even the nicest people have their limits. Don't push them too far. Don't try to reach those limits. Once the boundary is crossed, they'll never be the same person you used to know and you'll only have yourself to blame. If you can't be kind, remain quiet. Don't hurt people. Sometimes people can be difficult to deal with, refusing to apologize for their mistake, always insisting they're right. Don't get upset. Having the right perspective can help lighten your load. If it won't matter in the long run, let it go and give it to the Almighty to sort out. Worry and worship don't go together. When you trust the Almighty, there's no worry. Worry is a powerful tool used by Satan to deny us of what our Lord has planned for us. He will plant all sorts of ideas in our head. Don't let Satan get the upper hand. Be on guard. Detach yourself from that which is temporary. Do your best in everything, but remember that the goal should always be to please the Almighty. Seek His help to purify your intent. As long as the link with Him is good, any hurdle along the way will become that much easier to handle. It's not your job to change someone. You can lead by example and show them the best behavior, what's expected of them, good character and conduct, etc. But remember, at the end of the day, guidance comes from the Almighty. Your job is to spread love and goodness. Pray for them.